The Executive Summary dashboard gives you a single-page view of your business and marketing performance across every connected data source. Use it as your first stop for a health check, a leadership update, or spotting a trend early. Go to Dashboards and select Executive Summary. Set two date ranges to compare performance period over period. Every card and chart updates against both ranges at once. At the top, you'll see KPI cards for gross sales, total orders, average order value, marketing efficiency ratio, LayerFive return on ad spend, LayerFive cost per acquisition, customer acquisition cost, customer lifetime value, total ad spends, and new customers acquired. Each card shows its percent change against the comparison period, green for improvement and red for decline, relative to the prior period only. Notice that some metrics appear twice, once with a LayerFive prefix and once without. This gap is worth understanding, so slow down here. The version without the prefix is the number the ad platform reports about itself. Meta counts a sale if someone saw or clicked its ad before buying, even if email or Google did the real work, and Google does the same for its own ads. So the same sale gets claimed by multiple platforms at once, and their numbers added together often exceed what your store actually made. LayerFive return on ad spend and LayerFive cost per acquisition fix this by looking across every channel and assigning credit for each sale only once. The two numbers will not match, and that's expected. The gap between them tells you how much a platform is over or under crediting itself. So when a customer asks why their Meta return on ad spend inside LayerFive doesn't match Meta Ads Manager, this is the answer. Lead with the LayerFive number when you report performance or decide where money goes. One more reading habit. When revenue is up but margin feels tight, read marketing efficiency ratio and customer acquisition cost together, not return on ad spend alone. Below the cards, the revenue and ad spend trend chart compares ad spend, gross revenue, and new customer revenue over time, so you can see whether growth comes from new or repeat customers, and whether a spend increase actually converted. The ads performance trend lets you filter by source and KPI to isolate one channel instead of reading it blended into the top-level cards. That's the Executive Summary dashboard. Start here anytime you need the fastest read on how the business is doing.